Setting up payroll in Xero for small businesses doesn't have to be complicated. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get payroll up and running in Xero so you can manage your employees efficiently, save time, and stay compliant. If you're new to Xero, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Plus, if you stick around till the end, I've got an exclusive offer to get Xero for free with some added bonuses. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need a Xero account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description below, and you'll get access to an extended free trial. You can start using the payroll features with no upfront costs and explore the system to see how it works for your business. Once you've logged into your Xero dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your payroll settings. To do this, head over to the payroll section from the main menu. If you don't see it, it might be because you need to add payroll to your Xero subscription. This can be done easily through the settings area. Next, you'll need to configure your payroll settings, including adding your company details and setting up your pay calendars. A pay calendar determines when your employees are paid, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Make sure the dates match up with your payroll cycle to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you've set up your calendar, you can add employees. Adding employees in Xero is straightforward. You just need to click Add Employee and enter their personal details like name, address, and tax information. You can also set up their pay details, including hourly rates or salary amounts, and choose whether they're a permanent or temporary employee. This step is crucial for ensuring correct pay and compliance with tax laws. For tax purposes, make sure your employees' tax codes are set correctly. Xero allows you to select the correct tax rate for each employee based on their situation. It's important to keep these accurate to avoid any mistakes when it comes to payroll calculations. Once your employee details are in, you can start adding pay items. This includes regular pay, bonuses, commissions, overtime, and any deductions. Xero makes it easy to add these to your employee's pay schedule. Just make sure to categorize each item correctly to avoid errors in tax reporting. Now that you've got your payroll settings, employee details, and pay items configured, it's time to run your payroll. When the pay period arrives, go to your payroll dashboard, review the pay details, and ensure everything looks correct. If everything checks out, you can approve the payroll. Xero will automatically calculate tax deductions, contributions, and other necessary amounts, saving you the hassle of manual calculations. One key feature of Xero is its ability to generate pay slips automatically. After approving the payroll, you can send pay slips directly to your employees via email. You can also track past pay slips and payroll reports easily within Xero. For compliance, Xero automatically calculates your GST, tax filings, and other statutory deductions, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with changing regulations. The software also generates payroll reports, which you can access anytime for a complete view of your payroll history. Before wrapping up, if you haven't already, don't forget to check out the link in the description for an extended free trial of Xero. This exclusive offer gives you full access to the software with no commitments, so you can explore the payroll features and other tools that can help your business grow. In conclusion, setting up payroll in Xero for small businesses is simple, intuitive, and designed to save you time. Whether you're just getting started or need to improve your payroll management, Xero has everything you need to run smooth and accurate payroll processes. And remember, you can try Xero for free with our exclusive extended trial. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get started.